From imaging centers to hospitals to doctors' offices. We have more of the care you need. 350 locations and counting. Texas Health.